Welcome to this game. You are here to pay for the sin you have committed. If you want to win, you will have to pass my beautiful and impossible test. If you fail, you will die. And if you success, you will continue. The time starts now. You have to fill a cube with 10 liters of blood. Your blood. You have to kill someone to pass this game.
I am player football player.
I am pregnant and my husband is dead. I am a doctor and I love to save lives.
I have to take care of my ill parents. They are going to die!
I'm okay, please. I'm my son. I know it, my son in my house.
Now we want to who we want to sacrifice.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
No, 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 no!
You have only 3 headphones. 5 for them. In 30 seconds, it will sound a noise that will kill you.
One of all is gonna die. ¿Quién usa el English so young? Take the headphones. Okay.
Fuck you.
This probe, you only have to choose one of these doors. If you open the wall, one you will die. If not, you will be alive.
I can't do this anymore.
This is simple. Do you remember the boom game? You only have to pass it. When the time ends, the player that have it die. This is the next game. You have more tiles on the floor than you need, but the extra ones are bad tiles. If you step on them, you will die. It's the last game. Maybe. Only 2 people with a gun will escape from this room. Good luck.
you go for a coffee?
Hi. I think you are a little scared. Maybe because the coffee is infected. If you want to lie, you know the answer. Still playing.
No!